Good morning, students. This is revision lecture for chapter number 5 Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Written by John Updike for class 12th, subject English, book Vistas. Children, in this lecture, we shall revise the complete chapter number 5 and then we will get one revision assignment to be solved in our English notebooks. So, let's start the recapitulation of the chapter. The story Should Wizard Hit Mommy starts with the daily routine that Jack had been following for 2 years with his daughter, whose name is Jo. His daughter was 2 years old when the tradition started, and today she was 4 years old. The tradition was that Jack would tell Jo a story out of his mind every day in the evening before going to bed, and also on every Saturday afternoon during her nap time. Now, the issue was that it had been so long that he had been telling her stories that he did not have any good idea or new idea for stories left with him. Even Joe didn't sleep during the story sessions anymore. So, every day when he used to tell her a story, the basic plot of the story used to be the same, revolving around Roger, an animal who used to change every day. Roger used to have a problem and he would approach the wise owl for help, who would send him to the wizard, and the wizard would solve Roger's problem but ask for more pennies than Roger had, and would also give him a solution to go fetch the pennies from a specific place. Then Roger would go to that place, fetch the pennies, and would happily go back and play with his friends. After playing happily with his friends, Roger would go back home before it got dark to wait for his father, who would be on his way back from Boston. Then Jack would describe what all Roger and his family had for dinner, and that would be the end of the story. On the specific Saturday afternoon nap, Jack asked Jo about which creature did she want to listen or hear the story that day. To which she replied, a skunk, because she heard about this animal somewhere in her nursery class. So Jack started the story with Roger Skunk, who was a very stinky animal. Stinky means very, producing very bad smell. None of his friends liked to play with him. One day he went to the wise owl and shared his problem. The wise owl then told him to go visit the wizard. Then the skunk went to the wizard and shared his problem. The wizard then helped him to solve his problem and asked him how he wanted to smell. To this, Roger Skunk replied that he wanted to smell like roses did. Roger Skunk started smelling like roses. Then he did not have enough pennies to pay to the wizard, so wizard told him to go to the magic well, turn around there 3 times, and he would find 3 pennies there, which he could fetch and give to the wizard. The skunk did exactly what was told and got the wizard his pennies. Later he went out, and all the other animals gathered around him as he was smelling very good, but when he went home, his mommy did not like the smell and asked who had made him smell like that. Roger Skunk told the whole story to his mom, and his mother said that she liked his smell earlier and he smelled the way a little skunk was supposed to smell. So then the skunk told his mom that the other animals ran away from him because of the foul smell that he was producing earlier. But his mom said that she didn't care. She took him right back to the wizard, and as soon as the wizard opened the door, she gave him one on blow his head with her umbrella, and the wizard changed the skunk's smell again, and he smelled foul again. While going back, the skunk heard the train coming. His father was coming on that train. They had dinner together. When the skunk was about to sleep, his mother came to him, told him that she loved him the way he was, and there was no need to make any changes in his body or the smell. The story ended there, children. Then Jo asked her father whether the animals ran away from the skunk after that, to which he replied, no. All of them had now got used to the way he smelled. Joe didn't like the way Skunk's mother forced him and made him smell foul again. And Joe wanted her father to tell her the story the another day, and in which the wizard hits mommy back and refuses to change the skunk's smell back. Then Jack told her that he would see, and the main point of the story was that the skunk loved his mother more than any other animal in the woods, and that mommy knew what was right for him. He then told her to sleep as her baby brother was already sleeping. He then closed the door and went downstairs. His wife was painting the chair rail. He heard some footsteps above and then scolded Joe. The footsteps fainted slowly. Then his wife Claire asked him that it was a long story. To that he replied, the poor kid. Then he watched his wife do the painting and working, but was very tired to help her. Also, he thought that their marriage was not in a good state and also that there was no solution to it. He also said that he did not feel like talking to her nor touching her, and he realized as it was a cage like situation. So, children, this was the complete chapter Should Wizard Hit Mommy? And now we will proceed with the revision assignment. On the basis of understanding the chapter, you are supposed to answer the questions given in this revision assignment. And you can see on your screen there are 9 short answer type questions to be answered in 30 to 40 words each. And there are 2 questions given to answer in 120 to 150 words each. So, I hope you'll be capable enough to answer these questions in the very correct manner, and tomorrow you will get the solution of this assignment, and then you will be matching your answers and you will be rectifying the errors if necessary, and then tomorrow after rectifying the errors you will be posting me your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.